Well, a stunning decision from a federal appeals court today, throwing out former Baltimore City State's Attorney Marilyn Mosby's mortgage fraud conviction. However, they kept in place her perjury convictions. WJZ investigator Mike Hellgren joins us live tonight. And Mike, what does this mean for Mosby?
Stefan, she's always maintained her innocence. Now, this decision is split. It does not fully exonerate her, but she will be allowed to keep the Florida condo that was at the center of this case. She is still fighting to keep her law license.
Right now, we're still waiting for the Fourth Circuit to make a decision on my appeal. And we feel really great about the appeal.
Former Baltimore City State's Attorney Marilyn Mosby talked about that crucial appeal recently on a podcast. And now the decision she has been waiting months to receive has been handed down. It was a partial victory. The Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals reversed her mortgage fraud conviction. It stemmed from a letter her now ex-husband, former City Council President Nick Mosby, gave her, promising to gift her $5,000 in a loan for a mortgage on a condo in Florida. The money was really coming from Mosby herself. The court ruled the judge's overbroad jury instruction was inappropriate because it said jurors must consider whether any act occurred in the furtherance of this crime in the District of Maryland. Mosby was traveling between Maryland and Florida at the time, and the court found there is no direct evidence in the record specifying that Mosby transmitted the gift letter to her mortgage lender from the District of Maryland. The appeals court ruled she is entitled to keep her Longboat Key, Florida condo, which the government tried to seize.
They tried to break me on so many different levels and make an example out of me for what I stood for. I had absolutely nothing to do with anything that I did wrong. You know, I withdrew my own retirement savings that I put away every 2 weeks to buy property.
Those perjury convictions related to her retirement account that she maintains are wrong will stand. Prosecutors built the perjury case around declarations Mosby made that she was undergoing financial hardship because of COVID-19. At the time, the government allowed those with COVID hardships to make penalty-free withdrawals from their retirement accounts. Mosby did so despite having no financial hardships and making several $100,000s a year as state's attorney.
Having to fight the federal government, it was really difficult. I lost everything.
And Ms. Mosby has not commented on the appeals court's decision. For mortgage fraud, it was 2-1 in her favor. Reporting live in your corner, Mike Hellgren, WJZ.